Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Bitmart and want to move it over to Gemini for better management or trading opportunities in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Gemini. Double check that your Gemini account is verified and ready to receive XRP. Crypto transfers can be irreversible, so accuracy is key. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your holdings, including your XRP balance. Next, find and select XRP from your assets list. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there or under a drop-down menu. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Here's the crucial part. Copy your Gemini XRP deposit address directly from the Gemini app or website. Paste it into the Address field on Bitmart. Be extra careful here. Double check for any typos, as XRP uses a specific format and network. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review everything on the confirmation page, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, hop over to your Gemini account and check your XRP balance. If everything went smoothly, your funds should be there. A quick tip: always use the latest versions of these platforms and enable security features like email confirmations. With crypto evolving fast, staying updated is essential. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XRP from Bitmart to Gemini. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.